Good day guys, being here. Today let's model some structure. So like these columns or truss, and you can see it's like this one. Okay, so this is something I did. It's a parametric structure, and you can change the height, overall height, and also you can change the width, so you can make it wider or slimmer, and you can also change the spacing between all these webs. Okay, so let's do it. So first, let's create a generic model, adaptive, and place one point anywhere and make it adaptive. Okay, so now let's place another point, draw on work plane, set work plane, pick the horizontal work plane of this point and place it on this point, and then select this point, drag it up. So now here, offset, so this will be the height. Let's call it h1 instance. Okay. So select these 2 points, create a spline, make it reference line. So this will be the main structure of this family. Okay, so now place a point, draw on face, place it on this reference line, select this point, change the measurement type to segment length. So now you will see this about 4.8 meters. That's the distance from the point 1 to this point. Okay, so if you look at this, so roughly it's this point. Okay, so now let's create another parameter. Let's call it h2. Okay, an instance, and let's make it roughly, let's make the overall height 30 meters for now, and let's make the h2 maybe 6 meter. Okay, apply. Okay, so now create a reference line and a circle, draw on work plane, set work plane, and pick the horizontal work plane on this point and draw a circle. Okay, so create a radius dimension and create a radius parameter. So I will use this reference line to place the full points here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now select this reference line, divide the path, click on this number, change it to 4. Now you actually let me just create do a screenshot of that image. Okay, so this one. So this is the adaptive point. Okay, so and then this will be the x, and so either this x or x and y, and this is the other point, which is this one, and the circle we draw here. So what we need is, so counter, you will see these 4 nodes are on the actually here. So it's on here, here, and here. So what we need is, we need 4 points to be here, here, and here. Okay, so which means we need to rotate them by 45 degrees. Because you can't rotate this one, so I'll show you RO. See, it won't affect the nodes. So what we need to do is, I'll delete this. Oh hell, where's my reference line? So Control Z. Looks like I picked the wrong one. So this is divide path, delete. Yep. So if you delete the divide path, your reference lines are still there. So now select this point. Okay, select this point, rotate it by 45 degrees. And now select this reference line, divide path, change it to full. Now you will see all these 4 points are on this location. Okay, so which is good. Now we can place points, draw on face, and place it on these nodes. Okay, so and then we need another one because we need a height. So draw on still points, draw on work plane, set work plane, pick the horizontal work plane of the point and place it on the point. You should see this warning. Okay, again set work plane, tab, and place the point. Okay, set work plane, tab, place a work plane, place the point. Okay, set, tab, place. Okay, so now select all these 4 points, and here, so if I type in 10 meter, you will see the points go up, right? And we just need to create a new parameter. Let's call it H3 instance. OK and OK. Go to family types. So because we want these 4 to match the other points there, so which is H1, and also because we have this H2 equals this, so we just need to create a formula H1 minus H2. Apply. OK, so now you will see all these 4 points will match this one, and then we can create reference line from these points. Okay, so select 2 of them. Oops, select 1, 2, reference line, 1, 2, reference line. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to divide these paths, so we have some nodes to place the framing. Okay, so select all of these reference line, divide path. Okay, so here, so we're going to use let's use maximum distance. Okay, so and yeah, and if you want to, you can show nodes number, so you can sometimes it will be helpful, so it will tell you which end is the beginning, which end is the ending, and when you place the framing, it's very important to know. Okay, so now these are the nodes, and let's create that a frame. So it will be a adaptive family. Okay, so place 2 points, make them adaptive, create a spline, make it a reference line, and then another point, draw on face, place it on this reference line, create a reference line, circle, draw on work plane, set work plane, pick this vertical work plane and create a circle. So let's create a radius dimension of let's call it R, and just make it a type parameter. Okay, so I'll just type in 100 for now, and then select everything here, CC, and select this point, pick new host, pick the reference line. Now we can create a form, so this will be the frame, and of course just need to move this point to 0 and move this point to 1. So now we have this. So you can also create a material parameter here, or just create new material. I'll skip this step. Okay, so let's load this into here. Now we can place them. So first, what I'm going to do is let's place some horizontal plane. So you can just place one, select it, repeat. Okay, so and then let's do another one. So you can hide the existing one. So because it's very important to make sure to place them on the nodes exactly. Okay, so repeat and then hide it. Okay. So let's do it again. Create component 1, 2, and also you can do it this way. Okay, make sure they are not placed onto the other member. So okay, so repeat and HH, this one repeat HH. Oops, HH. Okay, so now let's place some diagonal one. So create component. So 1, 2. Actually, let me just increase. I'll just temporarily reduce the size of this, so we have more nodes to play with. Okay, so once again, I'll just leave it. I'll leave it here. Maybe I'll just hide them. Okay, I'll leave this. So one here, and because what we need is we need to go this one, go this way, go up like zigzag. And so what we need to do is we need to this one could go there. So I'll create another one here. So okay, and also we will need it start from here. Yeah, let me just finish this repeat. Okay, so first, so repeat. Yeah, all good. And then we just hide them. So we now start from this point. Okay, so this point go up, and another one start from this point go up, and select them and repeat. Okay, so we can HR to have a look. Okay, so yeah, that's good. Control Z. Yeah, and HH. Hang on, let me just double check. Control Z. So we will start from this point. Okay, so HH, this point. So once again, this one go down, and we will need another one go this way. And let's try see if we can do it. Just make sure you place. So sometimes you might pick this point or this point. So you just need to make sure you pick on the nodes. Okay. And yeah. Sometimes it won't work even you pick the nodes because pick this point, because this can be the nodes. This can also be the end point of this family. So yeah, so we just try this repeat. If it doesn't work, see this one, it's not right. So which means we picked on the wrong point. So let's Control Z. I'll just delete them. Let's try these two. No. Okay, so let's Control Z. Let's just do it again. So we just delete. Okay, so create, start from this point to there, this one to there, and repeat. Yeah, that's better. So HH. So let's do it again. And also, I just noticed that the direction. So when you place this, so just make sure you place on the same direction. So if you place it this way and go the other way, it might it won't work sometimes. So okay, so let's do it again. Yep, that's great. I'll hide this one, HH, and then start from this point again. So this one go this way. I think this way. Yeah, I think yes. Previously I probably did the second one the wrong direction, so that's why. Yeah, so good. I'll HH and go another one. So from here to here and here to here. Okay, so we repeat. Yep, that's HR. Great. Control Z and HH. So this should be the last one. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2. Select them. Repeat. Good. HH. Start from this point. This one go up, and here go up. Select them. Repeat. Yep. Now let's HR have a look. So this is the structure, and we just need to let's increase the height and reduce the we haven't. Let's just create a parameter for this spacing. So currently we don't have, so this will be the maximum distance between these. Okay, so I'll just call it spacing. Okay, spacing instance. Okay. So now if we go back to family types, if we change this one, so for example 6 meter, we'll reduce the number. Okay, so let's try 5 meter, and then also this one will be the height of this. So we just let's create the frame for them. So create component. So currently let's rename it. I'll call it 100 mil. Okay, maybe that's fine. Duplicate 200 mil. Okay, 200. Okay, and from this point to there. So actually what I'm going to do is I'll just select these points because there are quite a lot happening here. So let me just select all these points and HI, so it's easier. Maybe I can do isolate category. Let's do IC. Okay, so create component 200 mil 1 2. The reason I use IC is I won't see the frame I create. Okay, so now we have 4 of them. So HR, see, these are the one we did, and we also need some vertical one. So what I'm going to do is I'll do it again. So select the point IC. Okay, so create component. So this point to this to this to this, and this to this. HR. That's it. So let's have a test of this again. So first, let's try 10 meter. Yeah. 45. Yeah. R. Let's try 4 meter. Yeah. 3 meter again. And this spacing. So 25. 100. 500. Okay, so the last step. So because in this model, so you will see there's a little bit triangular shape there. It's a little bit hard to see, but you can see it's a little bit triangular. So what we need to do is we just need to extend 2 of them. So I'm not sure which direction I should. Maybe let's extend these 2 points. Okay, so first I'll HH and only show those points. Okay, so maybe I'll just use IC. So we need to extend these 2 points. So go to a point, draw on work plane, set work plane. Pick the horizontal work plane of this point and place another point, and OK. Another one, set work plane, place a point, OK, and select these 2 points. So this time, let me just type in the 3 meter for now. So you will see it goes up, and then we just need to create a new, let's call it H4. Okay, H4 in the instance. OK. Now if I HR, I just need to show everything here. So actually we can extend this column or framing. Let's see if we can. If we can pick the point. Hang on, let me just also with this one HI tab, select this one, pick new host, and pick this point, see, and HR. So let's do it again. So select this one, HI, and this tab, select this point. See, you will be able to select this adaptive point and pick new holes and pick this point. Now HR, so we have this, and then what we need to do is we need to link this. So I'll use IC, and so we need a diagonal one. So let's create a 201 here and another one here, and maybe another one horizontal, maybe, yes, horizontal. So now let's HR, that's better. Maybe we need another one from here to here. Yep. So create a component. This time I'll use 101, and yeah, let maybe hide them first. It's, yeah, I see. Okay, so create a component 100. Yeah, so from here to here, and also another one I think should be, because we create from here to here, so we need another one from here to here. So now HR, yeah, I think we have that. It looks quite reasonable, I think. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to adjust the H4. Okay, so let's have a look in family types. So H4, so, and also here the spacing here 5 meter, but actually the 5 meter is not the actual spacing, so I'll show you. So if we select this divided path, so you will see this is currently the distance is 5 meters. That this is actual distance. Okay, so the maximum distance is 5 meters as well. This is because all these dimensions just provide these the actual spacing. But if we change this one, so for example, if I increase 1 meter and click OK and go select this again, so you will see. So currently the actual spacing is 4.5 meter. Okay, so okay, so we just need to do a little bit calculation. Okay, so first what we need is a number of all these spacing. So let's create a number parameter. So change this to type of parameter to number. Click OK. So we need to calculate how many of these spacing we have. So it will be H1 minus H2. So and divide by spacing. So this spacing is the maximum spacing, and also we need a round up bracket. Okay, so now it will tell us we need 8 of them, and then once we have this number, we can just go H4, and then we can still use the H1 minus H2, okay, and then divide by the number. Okay, so let's have a look. What 4.5 meter. So if I click apply, okay, so now this height H4, which is from this point to this point, will equal the spacing of these. Okay, so now that's it. So this is the little structure family we did. Next exercise, we're going to place them, 2 of them actually, and to create a little bit of framing. Okay, and also we are going to create a horizontal curved truss structure. Okay, so that's it for today. I will upload this family for you to have a look, and see you next time. Bye.